In this video, I will share with you top 3 best air fryers for 2024. Air fryers have become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. They offer a healthier way to cook your favorite foods without sacrificing taste or convenience. Air fryers work by circulating hot air around the food, which cooks it evenly and quickly, with little to no oil needed. If you're looking for the best air fryer for your needs, here are 3 of the top models on the market in 2024. 1. Ninja Air Fryer Max XL. The Ninja Air Fryer Max XL is a great all-around air fryer with a large capacity, making it ideal for families or for cooking large batches of food. It also has a variety of preset cooking programs, making it easy to cook your favorite foods perfectly. 2. Instant Pot Vortex Plus. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus is another great option for families or for those who cook large batches of food. It has a unique even crisp technology that ensures your food is cooked evenly and crisply on all sides. It also has a variety of preset cooking programs as well as a rotisserie function. 3. Cosori Air Fryer Dual Blaze. The Cosori Air Fryer Dual Blaze is a great option for those looking for a stylish and affordable air fryer. It has a sleek design and a variety of features, including a digital touchscreen, preset cooking programs, and a keep warm function. Why purchase an air fryer? Healthier cooking. Air fryers use little to no oil, which means your food is healthier than if you were to deep fry it. Air fryers also help to reduce the amount of unhealthy fats and calories in your food. Convenience. Air fryers are easy to use and clean. Simply place your food in the basket, set the timer and temperature, and walk away. Air fryers also cook food quickly, so you can have a delicious meal on the table in minutes. Versatility. Air fryers can be used to cook a variety of foods, including chicken, fish, vegetables, and even desserts. You can also use air fryers to reheat food or to keep it warm. If you're looking for a healthier and more convenient way to cook your favorite foods, an air fryer is a great option. With so many different models on the market, there's an air fryer to fit every budget and need.